Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this session, to discuss about static keyword using Java language. Before discuss this concept, I request all of users, my channel name is Enviro IT. మా ఛానల్ని ఇప్పటి వరకు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్న యూజర్స్ ఆర్ వ్యూవర్స్ అందరికీ హృదయపూర్వకంగా ధన్యవాదాలు చెప్తున్నాను. ప్రతిరోజు నా ఛానల్లో బేసిక్స్ ఆఫ్ కంప్యూటర్స్, సి లాంగ్వేజ్, జావా రిలేటెడ్ వీడియోస్ అనేవి అప్లోడ్ చేయటం జరుగుతుంది. నియర్లీ ఈ 3 టాపిక్స్ మీద 25 వీడియోస్ నా ఛానల్లో ఉన్నాయి. ఆల్రెడీ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ యూజర్స్ అనే వాళ్ళకి అర్థమైంది. నా వీడియోస్ అనేవి మీకు ఉపయోగకరంగా ఉంటాయని భావిస్తున్నాను. నా వీడియోస్ అనేవి ఉపయోగకరంగా ఉన్నట్టయితే నా ఛానల్ని ఎన్వీరావ్ ఐటీ ఛానల్ని మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి, రిలేటివ్కి ప్రమోట్ చేస్తారని ఆశిస్తున్నాను. ఓకే, ఈరోజు మనం డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్న స్టాటిక్ కీవర్డ్ గురించి స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. Static keyword. First of all, what is meant by keyword? After that, I have discussed static. Keyword is nothing but a word. See, keyword is nothing but word. That word are reserved by James Gosling with team to developing of Java language. So that word is static. What is the purpose of the static? Static keyword are used to display class result directly without object. See, remember, in the Java level, we can display any class result must be create to object of the class. That object can be displayed result of the class. In this situation, whenever display the class result without object, that position can be used the keyword static. The purpose of the keyword static keyword to display class result without object, the main purpose of the static keyword. This static keyword can be used the before class name or can be used before method name. We can declare the before class name, then that class is called static class, or we can create the before method name, then that method is called static method. See, giving the simple example related that one. So example for the static keyword. See, example for static keyword. See, we can write the class, before class name write the keyword is static. Remember, all of you, we can write the any keyword like static or abstract, any type of the keyword. That keyword must be write all lower case. We cannot write the any letter uppercase in this word. Keyword is, we can write the any keyword must be use the lower case, cannot use the any uppercase letter in this word. So we can write the static, write name of the class name, for example A. We can write the method name, for example void add method. This type, what type of the method? Default method, we know that. We can write the int a is equal to some value variable declared and b is equal to some value c, like c is equal to a plus b, the addition operation of the method related. We can print the operation any system dot out dot println, the c value is equal to plus c. We can close the add method and we can close the class method. We can write the main class, like the class name, write the before class name is name of the static example stx, right, open the flower bracket, write the command line arguments. The command line arguments, we know that one is the public, it is a access specifier, public is in. Another one is the keyword is static, now I have discussed. Void main. See, the main method can contain the parameterized method. The parameterized is string data type keyword. Args is the variable what type of the variable? Array type of the variable. We can call for directly add method in the main function without create the object, like that. The class name is a. Direct we can write the name of the class dot name of the method. We can call for the directly, close the command line arguments flower bracket and close the class bracket. This is the simple example related for the static keyword. See, this is the user class declared. In this class, static class, the static class can contain one method. The method is add method. The add method contains some statements. The statement result can be displayed in the main class, In the main class, we cannot create the object of this class. We can directly call the class name dot to method name. This is the nature about static keyword. Thank you watching my channel. Please subscribe. Thank you.